everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I'm really excited because these new tools just came out. I ordered them like a week ago and they just came in. As you can tell, these are the limited edition American Legacy stripper packs. As you know, they already had the limited edition bags, screwdrivers, diagonal cutters, and the linemen's. They just came out with these strippers. Unfortunately, they are paired with diagonal cutters and the linemen's, so you do have to get them in a pack, which is unfortunate because if you just want the strippers like me, then you have to spend twice as much money. But it's still going to be worth it because they're super cool, and I can't wait to use those. So I got like 5 of these. I got one of the diagonal cutters just to hang it on the wall. Never going to open that one. But I got 4 of the lineman packs, so just because they're more useful if I ever decide to give them away or do a giveaway or gift them to a friend or something, then linemen's are just a better tool and they're worth more than the diagonal cutters. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open these up and check them out. I can't wait to take them to work tomorrow and start to use them. I'm probably going to sideline my glow-in-the-dark strippers, and I'm going to be using these babies for a while just because they're new and exciting. But anyways, the price of these right here are $39.99. I bought 5 of them and it dropped the price to $38.44 each. But other than that, let's go ahead and open up these bad boys and, well, not that one, just this one. Let's open up this one and let's check it out and I'll show you guys what it's all about. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and open this up. I don't want to cut the table, so I'm just going to do it off of the table. I'm just going to go right along the side here. It's kind of dangerous, it's slippery. All right, one more cut. All right, hopefully that's good enough. There we go. Oh, baby. Dang. Okay, so first of all, you're going to notice right out the bat, they feel really good. They do have the little thing, which I hate. They have the little holder right there that holds them closed. That's one thing I really don't like about some of the Klein strippers is that the glow-in-the-dark strippers have it as well. As soon as I bought them, I did notice it does go down to 8 gauge, which is nice because most of my strippers just go down to 10, but I don't really use 8s, so it's kind of pointless. But anyways, it's a nice option. You do have your 632 and your 832 screw cutters right there, so that's nice. You got your hooks right there to strip your ground wires or curl any wire that you want. I'm not sure what all that dust is in the middle right here on the cutters. Anyways, the cutters are nice and fresh, beautiful. On the back you have not much, but it says Klein tools on each side. One side is red, one side is blue, kind of navy-ish purple, but it's supposed to be blue. USA, made in USA right there on the bottom. Klein tools stamped on the back. You do have your American flag right there, which is cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the model number right there, K11095 RWB, and I believe, I'm not sure if that is the I-10 right there is for the month that it was made, possibly, not sure on that, because on the on the diagonal cutters it has a number, and on the linemen's it has a number. So these are I-9s right here, so I'm assuming the I-10s right there is for when it was made right there. Some of the strippers are starting to have date codes on them, so that's nice. If you're wondering about the linemen's, pretty nice out of the package. Just your basic purple, dark blue handled linemen's. So those are nice. I already have a pair of these from when I started my apprenticeship about 10 years ago, 11 years ago almost now. So anyways, I'll have an extra pair of these, or I can give these away or whatever. I don't know, on one side it says I-7, one side it says I-9. So anyways, that is that. That's probably the 2022, 2023 date code. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you got any questions, drop them down below. Solid from 8 to 18 and stranded from 10 to 20. You guys are wondering, there it is. Anyways, I think that's pretty much all I can say. I might have to cut out a couple springs. Usually I like to have my cutters a little bit more closed, just because the reach is pretty wide. My hands are a little bit smaller than most people's, so I might have to cut a couple springs off one of the sides, like I did with my glow-in-the-dark strippers. But other than that, that's pretty much all you got ready to go for tomorrow. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It'd help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Let me know if you guys are gonna get these. Get them while you can. They're not gonna be out for long. So let me know, like I said, if you're gonna get these, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you're getting these, what you think. Do you think they're cool? Do you think they're stupid? Let me know. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.